Hello everyone. Now, as you know, hair transplants were brought to Sri Lanka by KeshaTransplant. We were the leaders and the pioneers in bringing this technology to Sri Lanka. In the same way, we're bringing you the next revolution in hair transplants. This is the Sapphire Prime technology. Turkey is the number one country destination for hair transplants. People from all over the world come to Turkey every day to get hair transplants. Approximately 2,000 people, which is a lot of people, actually a lot of hair transplants happening in Turkey. And the technology they use is the Sapphire Prime. This is the latest technology. It gives you a very high density and a very attractive head of hair. The transplants can be done very close together, so appearance is very natural. And actually, the area that can be covered is much larger as well. So actually, the Sapphire Prime is the best technology available now in the world. And we have now got the government registration to bring this technology down to Sri Lanka. From next month, Sapphire Prime is available. It's priced at a very affordable 350,000 rupees. Actually, this is much cheaper than going to Turkey because in Turkey it costs about 20 lakhs, about 2 million minimum to get Sapphire Prime done. And actually, in Sri Lanka, you can get done for a fraction of the price. The other advantage is if you are losing hair, we give all our clients finasteride, topical finasteride treatment. A bottle of that is about 50,000 rupees a month, and you can get it free from our clinic. We give the oxygen treatment every month to our clients to preserve their existing hair. And the other thing is now, once we made the announcement about bringing Sapphire Prime, we had a lot of calls from clients saying price was very high and it's not affordable for them. Well, we are giving people discounts, but on top of that, we are giving them the chance to actually continue doing certain standard Sapphire treatment as well. So that is also available. So based on your price point, you can choose between Sapphire or Sapphire Prime. So don't worry about price. That shouldn't be the consideration when you're getting a hair transplant. You should get it because you want to grow your hair back and you want to get your appearance the way you want it. So if you need advice about your hair loss, call us 076 9965 660 or 074 360 0671.
මේ හිස් කිස් අස්වද්දන ආශ්චර්ය සේවයයි කේෂා ට්‍රාන්ස්ප්ලාන්ට්